sometimes you got to go back. I'm going back. Take two. Well, suppose if I called you up at night and told you that I love you. Suppose I said I won't come back home. And suppose I cried and said, I think I finally learned my lesson. I'm tired of spending all my time alone. If I told you that I realized you're all I ever wanted, and it's killing me to be so far away, would you tell me that you love me too? And would we cry together? Or would you simply laugh at me and say, I told you so? Oh, I told you so. I told you someday you'd come running back and asking me to take you. If I got down on my knees and told you I was yours forever, would you get down on yours too and take my hand? Would we get that old time feeling? Would we not talk for hours the way we did when our love first began? Would you tell me that you miss me too? That you've been so lonely and you waited for the day that I'd return, and we'd live in love forever, and I'm your one and only. Or would you say the table